baby.
Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
So put up at the SneakerCon, my boy Jari.
What's going on, man? Boy Jay, what's poppin'?
Hey, shout out to their IG. We gonna get your IG poppin' again.
My IG AYOJARI. That's Ayo Jari. Y'all follow me if y'all need anybody that need beats or anything. Y'all just hit the phone, man. You feel me? Yeah.
That's what I'm feeling. I got all of our right there, bro. Take care of them things, man. Since they came up. Defensive player in the same year. Like, how's LeBron to go? He's yet to do that. It's more about awards than you go about stats. No, stats don't tell the whole story. I never go about stats. LeBron has been the best defensive player in the game 7 years. He just never won an award. He could have easily won it in Miami. I'm gonna holler at y'all. Y'all have fun in that level. Y'all can have all this. Y'all can have this. I'm gone. The worst thing about this man is actually a coach. That's the worst part. He's actually a coach. What does LeBron do better than Michael Jordan besides pass? Besides pass? Shoot, dribble, rebound. You gotta say more. Pass and rebound. Okay, pass, not shoot. He does shoot better than Jordan. Boom, you're talking run. Look at 3-point percentage. Look at field goal percentage. Run is the leader. Jordan did shoot for the 3. He really did shoot 3. When he started shooting 3, he was killing him. Exactly. Do I supposed to feel sorry that he didn't shoot the 3? Okay. What do you want me to do? Don't get me wrong. I love LeBron. I like LeBron too. I'm an OG. Bring it back on me. People say LeBron ain't clutch. He got more game winners than Kobe and Jordan combined. So let's get that out the way. Next up, people say combined. Check it out. Look at the stats. More than Kobe and Jordan combined. I put my channel on that. I'm already didn't have these conversations. I ain't done yet. Let me get this out. Number 2, they say Bron don't shoot better than from the 3. He shoot better from the 3 than Kobe and Jordan, both from 3. Number 2, they say Bron only Achilles heel is free throw. I give him that. He does everything else better than anybody else. Collectively, the best overall player to ever play the game. Overall, there is no better player than LeBron. There's nobody better. At the end of the day, the best man is Tony Allen. Hey, the only reason his clutch numbers are better than Kobe or Jordan, they all layups. They're not mid-range jumpers. They're not jump shots. Get the bucket. The game is get the bucket. Hey, it was a layup, a dunk, a jumper, just get the bucket. No homo, but I like it hard. I'm sorry. Let me get this right. So I'm supposed to say Giannis is not clutch because he's going to try to dunk the ball before shooting the ball. Use your skill set to win the game. And that's what Kobe and them do. They use their skill set. Exactly. That's why Kobe has the worst game winning field goal percentage. People love to say Kobe is great, but he's like 17% for game winners. That's all right. 17% for game winners. Right? When them numbers come out, they don't want to hear that. Why wouldn't George Bush when Penny got him up out there in the conference finals? Why wouldn't George that man was playing baseball for 2 years? He took a break. Again, do I feel sorry? Brian ain't take no breaks. And his dad died. He came back and won 3 more. Women lie, numbers don't. Numbers don't lie. He came back and won 3. I wasn't even gonna say championships, but he came back and won 3 more. That's great. LeBron's playoff percentage. Look at it. Look at it. It ain't beat Mike. LeBron has never been bounced out first round in his career. Ever. He's never been bounced out the first round. Ever. Who he played in the East? Ever. Alright, so that was the East. We had most of the because he teamed up with D-Wade. Every show I'm doing it. I don't like D-Wade. I feel like LeBron saying D-Wade. LeBron saying D-Wade. So LeBron pulling up to make one of the best teams. Jordan was just already the best team. So Jordan played against the Warriors. I mean, LeBron played against the Warriors. Jordan's team was the Warriors. He came back and beat the Warriors. Jordan played for the Warriors of his time. 73, 72 and 10. They were the Warriors. LeBron defeated the Warriors. It's a different mindset, bro. I'm sorry, Brian, they played against the Supersonics. It was a lot of don't disrespect GP and Sean Kemp. Or the Utah Jazz. I'm sorry. LeBron lost to the Spurs the Warriors, dynasty team. Superstars are not a dynasty. Utah is not a dynasty. We're talking about dynasties. He lost to dynasties.
Jordan is the GOAT.
Come on, he's a fact. He's a fact. You can't say they're not either.
And I said it without using stats. I didn't have to say any numbers.
Go.
We don't need numbers.
I know that shit, go. Somebody call me a Jordan. Go. It's in my veins.
Yeah, so I need it. I need to see it.
Give me some stats. We got a team. I didn't even say check. Will I not make it? Will I not say facts? Oh, my mama.
So LeBron the GOAT?
I ain't saying that, but he got a valid point though.
Who we make videos about every weekend? Every week.
Who making a LeBron video? I think I got one LeBron video.
I mean, what?
I got one LeBron video. Out of 100.
You gotta think about the era. Like LeBron, like Jordan got his ass beat going through his layups and shit. LeBron just going through.
I just said that. I said you can't even touch him no more. You can't even. I'm at the bad boys.
Bad boy
Pistons. If you want to, why ain't on top of your neck?
I already know. I seen it. I ain't with that era.
I grew up in that era.
Like, you can't compare the two. It's two different eras. You look at LeBron too tough. You see this dude?
You don't like that. Hey, he ain't better than Kobe.
No.
I don't like the way they do.
everybody else, I don't rock with them. I'll let your boy, man.
All right. Gotta be in here. Crazy, man. SneakerCon, man. It's almost 5 o'clock, and these people are still coming in here, man.
Why not?
Still coming in. Still coming in, man. It's almost 5 o'clock. Yeah. SneakerCon ATL, man. Everybody, that was part 1 and 2 of my SneakerCon Atlanta videos. I greatly appreciate y'all guys for tuning in. I wanted to break it up because I didn't want to make the video too long. So hopefully you guys did like the stuff that I give. I did do things a little different from the last vlog of SneakerCon. But with that, I mean, I greatly appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like I was saying before, y'all comment down below. Let me know, what did you guys like? What did you not like? Did you guys even go to SneakerCon? Anyone that subscribed to me, for me, you know, me passing out the cards or whatever from this weekend, anyone that's actually new to the kingdom that has subscribed to me, I greatly appreciate y'all. We're trying to grow the kingdom. You know what I'm saying? I'm on the race to 1K by the end of the day, by the end of the year. You know what I'm saying? So appreciate y'all for tuning in and supporting your boy. If you haven't, make sure that you hit that that notification bell if you are, and you already know to subscribe. Comment down below. Like I said, I always answer all of my comments. You can also follow me on IG. For everyone that's already here, what I wanted to do is actually give a big shout out. Now, this is in no particular order. The people that I'm shouting out, but it's people that I've met during SneakerCon, people that I've been rocking with, and people that's actually been supporting your boy. So I greatly appreciate it. So the first person I'm going to shout out is Bo Kicks. He actually didn't make it. I was looking forward to actually meeting him for the first time. I've been rocking with him. He's been rocking with me, but we've been rocking real tough lately. So it's Bo Kicks, and definitely give that man a big shout out. He be putting me off in his videos, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. So I really rock real tough with that man right there. And as a matter of fact, my man's, hopefully you watch the video. There's something in there for you, so you'll be able to grab you some shoes. Just check that out. And I'm pretty sure you already got it by now because you're at the end of the video. Another big shout out to me and my kicks. Another person that I've been rocking with, who's been rocking with me, you know what I'm saying. He's a real cool cat, man. You know what I'm saying. We hung out when we was in SneakerCon Atlanta, and I actually met him in SneakerCon Dallas earlier this year. So real cool peeps, man. Special shout out to Feats and Treats. Appreciate you showing love. I appreciate you letting me know what was going on, inviting me out to the things that you was going on and hosting and stuff like that. So special shout out to Feats and Treats. Shout out to my man AJ. Very good people. Really appreciate it. Down to earth, you know what I'm saying. AJ, you're a real one, man. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying. I know y'all probably wondering, like, what is he doing? I just sat back and peeped the scene. My man's JJ all day. Definitely should send a shout out to him. He's always commenting on my videos, and we give each other feedback and stuff like that. It was great actually meeting you for the first time. Really love that. My man Chaotic Kicks, another real one. Man, been rocking with your boy, and of course I've been rocking with him. Shout out to my man Chaotic Kicks. You know what I'm saying? You've been keeping it a buck with your boy. You know I can't do nothing but keep it a buck with you. I don't know anything else to do. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to that man right there. Like he said, salute. You're a real one. To my man, He Got Kicks. Another guy, love, man, watching this dude videos, man. He real humble, real good dude, you know what I'm saying? And I can definitely rock with that dude, you know what I'm saying, at any given time, anywhere. Shout out to my man, He Got Kicks. My man, IBA. Mr. I Don't Got No Heat. Boy, you was something else. That's all I can say about you right now. And meeting you was a good thing, man. You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate it. Boy, you's a real one, too. My man, Jumper Man Chris, you know what I'm saying? The only Asian that I know that's in the game, you know what I'm saying? But that man right there is a real one, too. I like messing with Jumper Man Chris. He really cool people. I also met up with some of the people that I met up with before and other sneaker cons. You know what I'm saying, like the OG sneakerheads. I mean, so that would be T Ward, Unbreakable, Snipe, you know what I'm saying, Flight Academy Kicks, Mike Rich, and I actually met Super Rooper, you know what I'm saying, Mr. Fuck You Haters with a Sick Dick No Rubber. That was crazy, man. That dude there is something else. And also shout out to Holla, you know what I'm saying. I ain't forget about you, boy. And shout out to my man JC Kicks. That's JC underscore KICKZZZ. You know what I'm saying? He actually inboxed me on IG, you know what I'm saying, making sure that I made it back safely, you know what I'm saying? He knew your boy had a long ride. Yeah, I actually drove to Atlanta. It was something else. But appreciate y'all for tuning in. I don't know if you guys will ever see this, you know what I'm saying, but I definitely want to give my shout out to you guys, and I greatly appreciate y'all. I know y'all probably like, man, this dude quiet, he's sitting back in the cut, which is what I normally do, you know what I'm saying, but I greatly appreciate you guys. Y'all inspiration to me, and I'm pretty sure a bunch of people, but I appreciate that, you know what I'm saying, just keeping it a buck with your boy. So y'all always know I always like to end off the videos, like I always say, to all my kings, stand up, and all my queens, stand beside your king, and always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.